Timed his jump. Morant in transition. Oh, John Morant with a man's jam. It's a Hawks barrage in this opening quarter. Oh, my goodness. John Wall with some nasty stuff.
It's going to be my first time actually seeing it. He was ablaze. Didn't realize that behind the back.
Yeah.
Flushing.
We know the threes, but now he's just shocking.
Come on!
What's the deal with these point guards?
2021.
What?
Little to little.
Here's Curry with a high bounce pass. Yes! Slapping it home! That's what I'm talking about.
Baby!
Welcome to the All-Star game.
4:15 to play in the third. Dennis Smith. And he'll hammer it home and get fouled. Breakdown defensively.
Here's LaVine on the drive with the reverse. Got it to go in a ball.
Book it. Book it.
This right here. Frank Jackson again. Fouls him.
Lewis kicks it out to Williamson, rising up underneath. That's just not fair. He got hit in midair. Limited to some degree. Juan Evans guarding gone. Nifty pass and a great finish. You want to talk about nifty for Ferguson.
Right there by LaVine. 9-point game, minute to go. It's Carroll. Jang defends. Oh, DeRozan came out of the rafters and slams it.
Bledsoe tees up a three. Short.
Yeah, Cavaliers doing a good job.
To go in the half. Oh my!
You see what you started, Reggie? What I see.
All right, what's Lillard thinking about here?
He's saying game. He's thinking
all four quarters, but by winning the fourth, it's $300,000 for third.
Alfie loses it. Forgot the basketball. Look at this pass intended for LeBron. He's got it! Throw it down, King!
Oh, did you say this is... Look at LeBron. How's he going to finish it? Woo!
Bench against Detroit and Cleveland on the last road trip.
Yeah.
That is. And Korver with the steal.
Crowder to Mitchell! What a pass and finish!
Get it in the area, Coach. Donovan's going to find it. That's incredible. He caught that.
in the Drew League, which is a summer league in LA.
Anthony Davis! The ball was behind his head. He grabbed it and slammed it in one motion with one hand.
Drew coming on the curl. The lob. Zion. How about that adjustment? 24 shots in the paint and they don't have a free throw attempt.
And you know what? A lot of these...
Take the air out of the ball. Oh, Oubre! Shoot it whenever you want, Kelly! Curry's going to put it up, you know that.
None, 3-on-2. Robinson in and out. Nice rebound by Adebayo. Double D sandwich and put it down. Oh, what a play by Bam.
Bam, bam, bam. Don't hurt him like that, big fella.
Has the rebound, his 8th of the ball game. Westbrook cocking the hammer, pulling the trigger.
We talked about getting in transition, running downhill.
I think that's fatigue, Bowling. Oh, how fast was that? Where did Fox? Okay, so watch this. How many dribbles? 3 dribbles in a...
Walter brings you up himself. Over the top. Oh, Gerald Green. Jeez. He has it, Hobbs. He has not lost it.
Rebound out to Barnes. It's a foot race. Oh my! What effort! 3 men went crashing 3 rows deep.
With a wild spin. Got into the lane though, couldn't caress it home. Rebound. Saved! Absolutely incredibly. And then LaVine with the acrobatic alley-oop. What a ridiculous highlight. Started by Archie Diacono. 3-point shooting. Williamson with the flush. And And some pyrotechnics at the other end.
It happens fast, Mark.
On the run out, Williamson now with 9 in the game. And the rebound.
Under a minute to go for the Bulls. Up by 6.
See, look, all this triple team.
Zach, come on.
Oh, stop it.
No!
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. But look, he's got Jackson on him. He's got Batum on him. And then he got
Curry steps back to tie. Oh, my goodness, Steph Curry, you are ridiculous.
Hornets get it back. Here comes LaMelo Ball with his hair on fire.
Wow!
A windmill!
And he had to windmill it to get it to go down. The defender was there. I don't think he could have done it.
Leading to the defense.
Trey comes up with it and rolls it in. How about that?
That might be the send-off. The only thing left now is to get some free.
Got to get back. Marketing going long. Oh, by Morant. A sensational skyscraper block. Jared for 3. Nearly back. Melton. Lob. Oh, baby. Oh, my goodness.
NBA world, if you didn't know.
Walking. Patrick curling down the lane. Leads in. Off the glass. No. Antetokounmpo with a rebound. Here comes Giannis racing. Look at that speed. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Did he jump from the free throw line, Marcus?
Here comes Carmelo into Porter for the lead. Rebound by Wall, took it away from Rose. Got by Jennings and takes it home. What a play by Wall.
Did you see the afterburner jets by John Wall? He left Jennings in his track. Look at this move right here. I mean,
Took it away from Metu. Leads the run out. Throws the lob. Oh, my. The fuse is most definitely lit now. Wow, how about that play?
And normally Jalen goes out too, but showing you he's a complete jumper.
So the Lakers still know they need probably another piece to the long jump shot. Oh, Zion flying high for the rebound over Howard. Speaking of athletes.
yeah, but see what you didn't see here was that trampoline that they took out from underneath Zion Williamson.
Foul, quick outlet. Brunson, the crossover, draws the foul, shot blocked out of bounds. They're going to call a goaltend.
And I don't think that's a goaltend.
I don't
think
either.
that looked like a clean block to me.
That's just ridiculous.
Spot open.
Curry trying to create the space against Sabonis. Underneath, contorting his body. Masterful.
Got the big extension this summer that'll start in 2019 is Irving. What a move by Kyrie Irving. They're going toe-to-toe now.
In here.
Yeah. Oh, my goodness! How high did KJ Martin get up on that one?
Wow.
What a move by Prince, right back at him at the other end of the floor.
Hopefully this turns.
Here's Giannis going right at Lou Williams and putting it down.
Great train. And if you're Lou Williams, you're caught on a...
When it's all said and done. George.
Oh, my! Look out below!
Oh, you've got to get up to throw down Paul George and the Clippers out in front 11-10.
Tonight, he was a true student of the game, a wonderful husband and father, and he'll be missed. We're sending all of our Rockets love to his wife, kids, and grandkids.
Yes.
They were trailing. Another alley-oop to Davis off the glass by Rondo. Turn the lights out.
Runs it to Burks. Catch and shoot 3. No. Rebound. Oh, my! I got to see that over and over again. Up on the ladder. The rookie. with 17 in the game. Thompson rises, scores again.
Only 4 seconds off the clock.
Klay Thompson again, and good again. Crowd of defenders. Curry shoveled to Thompson, firing, good again. They have Curry. Curry screens for Thompson again. He fires again. He's good again. Wow.